Good morning. We're going to start review week. Today you're going to look in your green folders and you're going to pick the first packet on the left-hand side, and it's going to have a 1 circled. We're going to work on review day 1. So what we're going to do is work on 2 skills, and we'll do a couple of questions. So if you look at it, the first skill I have for review day 1 will be evaluate. They want you to evaluate 4x squared y when x equals -2 and y equals 3. What you have to remember, and the most important thing, is plug in using parentheses. So when I plug in, I have 4. I put in -2 for x squared times y, which is 3. When I plug that in, I go straight away to the calculator, use my parentheses, put the whole thing in, and I'm going to get 48. And that's it. That's your answer. So when you plug in, the most important thing to remember is to use your parentheses. The next set of questions you're going to be using is deciding if a number is rational or irrational. Rational numbers are most numbers, okay? They can be turned into a fraction. So it's all types of numbers. Some examples would be 4, 12.5, 3 over 4, 26.927, okay? They are repeating decimals. And terminating numbers. Terminating numbers means they end. Some examples, all here. Okay? The next thing are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be turned into a fraction. Some examples. Most popular irrational number, pi, is irrational. Also, square roots that are non-perfect squares. The square root of 47. The square root of 31. The square root of 3. If you put those in the calculator, they cannot be turned into a fraction. They are non-repeating, non-terminating decimals. The last thing I'm going to ask you to do is to translate. And I remember you were very good at that. You'll be able to translate. So your assignment is going to be review packet 1. You're going to do numbers 1 through 11. Message me when you're done, and I will send you the answer key. Now, one thing I want you to know when you're working on this. Each question you get correct, you will add 1 point. I'm going to keep a tally of the points that you earned for the week, and then you'll be able to add them onto any assessments that we're going to do from now until we go back to school. So you can add extra points to anything depending on how many you get right each time. So they won't be graded, but you'll message me either the answers or a picture, and I'll tell you how many you got right, and I'll keep a tally. This will be for extra points, and we'll do this for the whole review week.